lost in the gift-giving maze? Meet the charm bracelet kit that solves it all. Ever faced the dreaded question, what's the perfect gift for a creative, fun-loving girl? With endless options, and none feeling just right, it's easy to get lost in the gift-giving jungle. You want something meaningful, something that sparks creativity, inspires confidence, and keeps her entertained for hours. But finding a gift that checks all the boxes? That's like chasing unicorns, rare and magical. Enter the COO&KOO Charm Bracelet Making Kit, a dazzling solution designed to turn frustration into fascination. It's more than a gift, it's a gateway to endless possibilities and memories worth treasuring. Imagine stumbling upon a treasure chest filled with colorful charms, shimmering beads, and unicorn-themed delights. That's exactly what this kit delivers, an enchanting jewelry-making adventure for girls ages 6 to 12. With over 50 unique pieces and adjustable bracelets, kids can mix, match, and create personalized designs that sparkle as much as their imaginations. No tools, no glue, no mess, just twist, slide, and customize. Finally, a gift that grows with her creativity, providing endless combinations and hours of fun without the hassle of complicated instructions. Picture this, your little one's eyes light up as she opens the unicorn-themed box, revealing everything she needs to craft her dream bracelets. She dives in, arranging charms and threading beads, unlocking her inner designer. Whether it's a solo project or a fun activity shared with friends, this kit transforms ordinary afternoons into unforgettable moments of self-expression. Plus, the easy screw-on clasps make it a breeze to switch styles and create new looks anytime. No more broken strings or tangled designs. It's not just a bracelet-making kit, it's a confidence-boosting workshop in a box. Unlike other DIY kits that feel flimsy or limited, this set is built to last. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, it's safe, sturdy, and designed for repeated use. Parents love how easy it is to store and transport, while kids adore the dazzling charm options and vibrant colors. The included gift box means no extra wrapping, just pure joy, ready to surprise and delight. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or just because, it's a crowd pleaser that combines fun with functionality, making it one of the most versatile and affordable gifts on the market. Gone are the days of gift-giving stress and uninspired toys collecting dust. The COO&KOO Charm Bracelet Making Kit turns every girl into a jewelry designer and every occasion into a celebration of creativity. It's more than a present, it's an experience, a magical moment when inspiration meets imagination. Perfect for unicorn lovers, budding artists, and anyone who loves to shine, this kit promises laughter, learning, and memories that sparkle forever. So why wait? Let her create, dream, and dazzle. Because every girl deserves a gift that's as unique as she is.